and welcome back to another vlog. I am Tish. I am a wife, mom, career professional, and a lady over 40 striving to do all of the things and all of the things well. Here on my channel, I share lifestyle happenings and some career things as I navigate small business, entrepreneurship, and all of the above. I also like to share my outfits, not saying that this is how you should dress, but I like to do it to inspire you to get dressed every single day, everywhere you go, so that you can be your best self in every room that you enter. If you like content like that, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe now. Let's just go ahead and get it out of the way. It's free. Like this video and tell me hello down in the comment area. Click it because I want to pop up on your timeline here and there. So welcome. In this particular video, I am here in Atlanta, Georgia. I am now just taking a rest moment here at my niece's apartment before my hotel room is ready. But I am speaking at two universities in Atlanta this particular trip on etiquette, not necessarily which fork to use and how to hold your teacup, but I am speaking to student leaders on the importance of soft skills and professionalism, because if you understand this, having these soft skills and knowing the right behaviors to display in front of potential coworkers and colleagues and employers is very important. If you've ever gone to an interview or a networking event, that's where the rubber meets the road. Your behavior is part of the interview, right? And just to be able to equip students with these unspoken rules so that they can be competitive out in the workforce beyond college is very meaningful to me. And these are skills that aren't necessarily always incorporated into the academic curriculum. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. There's a presentation today, well, this evening, where we're going to talk about some of the basic dining skills, and then we're going to do a second part to where it's going to be about networking, you know, getting them prepared for the mixers, the social mixers, the networking events when they go to conferences, and being a part of companies so that they will feel more confident in how to navigate these spaces so that their nerves won't take over and possibly ruin an opportunity that could be awaiting. So that's what I'm getting ready to do today. I'm just finishing up the presentation for today. Then tonight I'll go over the one for tomorrow. And y'all, I'm really excited about that. I love that I get to travel and impart this information into student leaders and college students. All right. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit like. Tell me hello down in the comment area, and let's spend the next few days here in Atlanta imparting some soft skill wisdom into tomorrow's or today's professional. All right, I am now ready. I fine-tuned my presentation for today. This is what I am wearing. Everyday jewelry. I just kept this on all day. I tried to go ahead and put on my makeup. Just needed to touch up my foundation. Hope my eyelash is still on. Lipstick is by the Lip Bar in the shade Unimpressed. I'm a girl that loves puffy shoulders and big bows, and this shirt is giving it. Going with blues, and here are the pants. I'm rushing, so I'm trying to hurry and show you. Wearing these blue slacks, and here is the shoe. I don't know how you're gonna be able to see everything. Maybe I need to step away far. Let's see. You're not gonna be able to see me. But here is the look. Comfortable. I may pack a pair of flats just in case my husband and I want to go to dinner. My my ride will be here in approximately 10 minutes. I think the lighting is even better here. But y'all, I rushed into this room, got on that computer, and here I am. So I'm gonna pack my laptop just in case I need that, put my final things in my purse, and wait on my ride. I'll take you along with me. Made it to the elevator. I made it. I have my laptop, my phone, chargers, and my mind. We made it.
Now they might have an adapter if you want to plug up your computer or.
Okay. So I'm here, and the fun fact about this speaking is this is Dr. Rayford, my cousin.
Yes, that's
and
right.
he is pouring into these students, and tonight's going to be so fun. So
We're excited.
I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, it is the next day, and I'm getting ready to go to another college to teach etiquette today. It's a tough day, a very, very tough day. Then my family, we are out of state, and we really need to be in another state with our family. But without saying too much, I have to keep going on. I'm going to show you my outfit for today. My mother-in-law loves my outfit of the days, and she always compliments me on them, and she watches them. She's not able to do that anymore. But my husband told me that I have to keep moving on because this is what she'd want me to do. So I'm going to show you my outfit, and I'm going to try to carry on through the day the best way that I can. Here we are. Everyday jewelry. I didn't pack anything different to wear while I was here in Georgia as far as accessories. Keeping with blues, I have this denim top with a bow. You know, wore something like this yesterday. And I have my Ralph Lauren navy blazer that I love. This is the first time I'm wearing it. I need to pull you down so you can see. And I have these, I guess you call them khaki trousers from Future Collective, and I love the pleating on them. I need to lower you so you can see the pants. And I won't be able to show you because I have a strap, but I'm wearing a leopard heel to tie in the look. All right, friends, I need to get ready to head out to the college. Okay, so I had the best group with Southern Crescent Technical College, the basketball team back here. They learned dining etiquette, they learned how to network a room and to command a room. Y'all be on the lookout for these gentlemen here. And thank you so much, Dr. Kelby Lamar, for bringing me here.
Absolutely.
Y'all want to say anything?
Hey, go Tigers! Go Tigers! Go Tigers! Proper etiquette.
Go Tigers!
Pig out.
The session is over and it turned out really, really great. But my husband and I have not eaten all day. It's been a tough day. We are now at a place called The Hive. I don't know if it's on Peachtree in Georgia. But I have the salmon and shrimp, vegetables. We have lobster, mac and cheese. He has wings, fries, and Caesar salad. We're gonna go ahead and eat so that we can go and relax and let this day be behind us. Today we travel back and I struggled with my outfit. This is something that I had to put together. I wore this top yesterday to the lecture, and I did have these jeans that I wore just from the Airbnb to the hotel, so I was able to put these back on with my black Tory birch belt and these. Let me see if I can get it down there. Yeah, my is it vintage Havana black and white sneakers that I have that I wore to the game, but I wanted to be comfortable traveling back, and I also wanted to be able to wear something that was clean. The sleeves, however, I'm just now noticing that I should have ironed it down. I wonder if I can iron it on my shoulder. But y'all, yeah, we're headed back in just a moment. We're gonna get on the road. So one thing I did not anticipate sharing in this particular vlog was we experienced heartbreak during this Georgia visit. And yesterday's clip, I don't even know, I'll have to go back and look and see what I talked about. But on my way to do a lecture at a college, my husband, who's now here with me to take me back, got a very disturbing call. His mother was in the hospital, and the doctors called to have the family immediately come to the hospital back in Arkansas. Well, he was here to get me so that we could just prepare for whatever may happen. The call was not good, and the immediate grieving process started before the announcement. It was about maybe 25 minutes out from me going to the college that he received the call that his mother had received her wings and end of life happened. So we've been trying to process all of that. And there are moments. It's sad. We're not there. We're trying to get there. He's in it with his siblings. They're doing such a wonderful job, banding together. Hold on. It's just all so devastating. And I don't want to share too much right now because it's too soon. But we're getting ready to head back home so we can prepare for family. I need to get my home together. The siblings have to get arrangements together. Yeah. October has been a blessing. It has had all of these emotions in it. Blessings, disappointments, blessings, heartbreak. My birthday is tomorrow, and that is the last thing on my mind because my birthday is tomorrow. There are some people that won't get to see their birthdays. So instead of looking at it as, oh, this is time for me to turn up and celebrate, if I wake up tomorrow so let's be grateful. Let's embrace those that are in our lives that we love, that have imparted something into us, and let's spread light no matter what. Yeah. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. I'm going to just keep the vlog going up until we exit Georgia. I appreciate you so much. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video. Tell me hi down in the comment area, and I'll talk to you in a moment.